This is Plateau English Online.
This is Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to
Plateau English Online.
Looking for. Looking for. Borrow. Borrow. Straight. Straight. Turn. Turn. Hi, Roma. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well.
What are you doing here?
Actually, I'm kind of lost.
Do you need any help?
I'm looking for the library. I want to borrow a book.
Well, you are almost there.
Really?
Yes.
How do I get there?
Go straight, then left. Then you will see the dormitory.
Oh, I go straight,
Yeah.
then left, and I will see the library.
No, the dormitory. Go straight, then turn left. You will see the dormitory.
The dormitory. Got it. Then?
The library is opposite the dormitory. It's the big yellow building.
So the dormitory is the big yellow building?
No, the library is the big yellow building.
Oh, okay. Let me just check if I've got it. I go straight,
Yeah?
then left,
Yes.
then I will see the dormitory. Then opposite the dormitory is the library, and it's a yellow building. Is that right?
Yeah, you got it.
Great. Thanks.
You are welcome.
Bye.
Bye.